It gives me great pleasure to introduce you to the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, or CETaL for short. CETaL was formally established in December 2014 with the aim of creating a sustainable learning environment for our students. At CETaL, we strive to bring you research-informed teaching, technology-enhanced learning, and learner empowerment through student-centered learning. Through such means, we hope to develop you, our students, into empowered, innovative, and empathetic problem solvers who are ready to conquer the needs of the workforce.
Do you know about the Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is also known as the IR 4.0? This revolution has become the game changer not only for the way industry are moving forward, but as well as the education and how education is preparing for the future workforce of the industry. Therefore, 21st century skills such as communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity are very essential for us to prepare for you to become the future-ready graduates.
Based on World Economic Forum reported in 2016, students need new learning experiences to thrive in the 21st century. As we look at developing countries, they found that the upper middle income countries like Malaysia scored just median performance of a wide variation in skills. These include literacy, numeracy, problem solving, creativity, and curiosity. Hence, students must adopt the skill of collaboration, communication, and problem solving, where some of these are developed through their social and emotional learning.
In line with Malaysia Higher Education Blueprint 2015 to 2025, with the aims to produce holistic, balanced, and entrepreneurial graduates, to produce a nation of lifelong learners, and to take the opportunity of global online learning, it is imperative that UTP to change the way how we teach students at our best capacity.
Learning in UTP, be it within formal or informal contexts, is driven by active learning methodologies. Through active learning, learners become key partners or stakeholders of the learning process, and lecturers facilitate the learning process. Through the use of technology-enhanced learning and research-informed teaching, our lecturers create superior learning experiences for our students. UTP's flipped classrooms, AR and VR capabilities, and green room add variety to the learning spaces our university has to offer.
This is where a lecture is still going on, but in between the lecture, there are some short activities being done by the groups of people to trigger your critical thinking capability. Usually, we use a bookend model to carry out the activities in between. We'll always have something like a lecture, activity to trigger and let them think deeply and move on.
Whenever we want to make sure that the students acquire good teamwork skills, to learn about empathy, effective communication whilst also being good technically, we encourage our lecturers to implement cooperative learning. Cooperative learning has several principles to be added, such as positive interdependence, face-to-face promotive interaction, and individual accountability. Thus, if you have been assigned in a team of 4 to 5 members since early of the semester, and most of the time has to do in some group activities in the class, it is likely you are experiencing cooperative learning.
I'm sure that sometimes you are required to watch some videos or read some articles before you come to the class, even though the chapter has not been taught yet, right? This is where we flip it, and we call it as flipped classroom. Rather than coming to the class to listen to the lectures all the time and absorbing it, memorizing it, and not be able to understand things, we want you to be able to comprehend it deeper. Thus, instead of coming to the class just to attend lecture, we want you to prepare beforehand And by the time you come to the class, it is about enhancing your understanding and clearing your misconceptions. Coming to the class is about getting the immediate feedback on your learning.
While there are classes which are physically conducted, there are also subjects that you can learn on your own via our online learning platform, the ULearn. This is an opportunity for you to take your own sweet time to learn about the subjects. We are sure that in the future, there'll be more exciting contents that you can learn on your own at your own flexibility. For example, the virtual reality contents and augmented reality contents for you to be immersive in learning.
Put simply, problem-based learning, or PBL for short, is a learner-centered approach where students learn about a subject through the solving of an open-ended, real-world problem. Lecturers facilitate the learning process through the use of these problems. PBL encourages self-directed learning, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. These competences are highly sought by the workforce.
There you go, all the student-centered learning approaches that we are currently implementing at UTP. We also would like you to know that we are doing our best to make the technology as the enabler for your enhanced learning experience. And thus, we have virtual reality, augmented reality, smart classroom and more to create a meaningful learning experience for all of you.
We hope that you got this right. Why lecture only is no longer suitable for your learning, and thus student-centered learning is the next learning experience for all of you.